What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to go ahead and let you know that today's video is going to be about the Vette. The last time I was out driving, I was having a little bit of trouble with the gas pedal actually binding and getting stuck, which is kind of crazy. So we're going to get the C4 Corvette out of her slumber, and we're going to take her over to Hurst Mid-Cities Classics, one of my favorite Corvette shops, so we can go ahead and get her worked on. So come on with me, let's go ahead and wake up the Vette and see what a cold start sounds like. Now, just in case you're wondering, this is just a dust cover. This is not an outside cover. So we got the battery tender turned off. Let's get the keys. All right, here we go. Cold start. Okay, so we just made it to Mid-Cities Classics. They have a really cool customer base, bringing in all kinds of different Corvettes. We've got a really badass C2 behind us, and a C3, another C2. Now, Mid-Cities Classic mainly focuses on everything from C1 all the way up to C5 and C6. I haven't seen any C8s up here yet, but that's not to say it's not coming. One thing that I really like about this shop is they are straight shooters. They're gonna tell you what needs to be fixed. And when I knew that I was having issues with my Vette and the throttle cable binding, this is the first place I wanted to come to. FYI, they've also fixed a couple of oil and transmission leaks on my car. So thumbs up. Let's go take a look at some of these Vettes. Beautiful C2 convertible.
Both the windows out?
They're doing, you want to see what they're doing?
Okay, let me see, yours is a 94, yeah, so it's the guides are broken.
Yes.
If you close it, lift it up, it's even the body work, and eventually I'm gonna have to do paint correction on both sides.
Yeah.
So that's gonna involve taking the whole door apart.
Well, taking the door panel off, and the guides are plastic. They're both on that front track.
Yeah.
It's common that they break, and I should have some in stock. So we usually keep them.
They cut me a deal on those.
So yeah, they're not real expensive. So
Right.
yeah.
So yes, he's gonna cut me a deal. So
Yeah.
let's brainstorm or get back to me on what you think it would take to fix the guides on both sides.
Okay. All right. Yeah. What I'll do, I'll have to pull one of the door panels off and just verify that that's what the issue is. But
Okay.
I'm gonna say that 99% that's what it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially when you close the doors, the windows rattle back and forth, so they're not set correctly.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the Corvette all checked in. He's gonna check out the throttle cable and the mechanism under the gas pedal. And also he's gonna go ahead and take a look at my windows because both of them seem to be off track, which has been kind of an annoying niggle since I've had the car. So once we get an update on what it took to get it fixed and what it cost to get it in ship shape, we'll post that in an upcoming video. Thanks for riding along, and I will see you next time.